Do you also tell him, I love you too, Ken? Every day?
Every day. Ito ba yung hero doon? Hindi kasi, pag nag-I love you siya sa akin, alam mo yung habang, kunwari, nag-change ng setup, parang nang-a-answer siya, I love you. Mga ganun siya.
Yung
Tas ako, parang ganun ako. I love you too. Ganun.
Liza, sino ang sinasabihan mo ng everyday I love you?
Every day, I love you.
Say it loud.
Si Ethan!
Pero nag-I love you kay lagi. Nag-I love you ka kay Liza.
Oo naman.
Nag-I love you ka din sa kanya.
Alam mo yung parang I love you na friendly? Yung parang, hindi ko ma-explain.
Basta I love you. Oo.
Pero nag-I love you ka sa kanya, nag-I love you din siya pabalik.
Nag-I love
Oh, sabi mo, Shem! Sabi mo, Shem, Boots! Siyempre daw.
Ha?
Nahiya lang sila kami, pero nag-I love you-han yan. Oo. At ikaw ang ina-I love you niya. Lagi kayo nag-I love you. Lagi ba kayo nag-I love you? Kasi di ba pag love mo yung tao, gusto mo laging sabihin, tapos pag in love ka sa tao, gusto mo rin lagi mong naririnig. Lagi ka nag-I love you kay Liza.
Oo naman. Oo naman.
Ikaw, lagi ka nag-I love you kay Enrique.
Opo. Okay. Occasionally po.
Ano yung occasion?
Special yung occasion, birthday niya, ganun.
I hope on your special day that you really feel all the love because you deserve it, because you are a great man. And I just want to say thank you so much for everything, for making me feel all the love also. And I hope that one day I can return all of that to you. God bless you always. I hope you are always happy. And that's all. Love you. On your birthday then, you're extra happy. And I love you. God bless.
Do you love him? Do you?